tutorial, I'll teach you how to crack your tailbone.
Like always, please consult your local professional. Let's begin.
First of all, you cross your ankle and you spread your knees out slowly while you stretch yourself upwards with your heel and hand. Let me show you how it's done. Lay down, put all your weight on the tailbone. Lock your ankles like this. With your heels, you push it up and your knees pushing out. And your hands assisting you with the upward movement. Ready, begin. Alright. Please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor, or your mom. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.